Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video here, I'll be showing you how to thread a bobbin for a 2-lion industrial machine. So I'm going to pass my thread through this thread guide here, as you can see, and I'm going to be taking it down into my bobbin winder compartment. So just so you know, the compartment differs in different brands of industrial machine. So mine is on the right side. I'm going to pass it through this thread guide and then slide it through these discs. It's just supposed to be in between, and then I'll bring it forward just like this. Now I'm going to take it forward to the bobbin holder point. So this is where I fix my bobbin. Now this is where it is supposed to stay. So it's not supposed to be loose. It's supposed to fit and not just roll on its own while you fix it into this point. So I'm going to bind my thread 6 to 7 times around this bobbin before I fix it to the bobbin point. So if you notice, the thread is not supposed to be up, it's supposed to be downward this way. So I'm going to fix my bobbin to this bobbin holding point here. And then there's a clickable holder that helps. It's just like you click it forward this way and it holds your bobbin. As you can see, the thread is a little bit slacking, but once you start paddling like this, this is what the process is going to look like. So this is automatically going to roll till it is full and it stops on its own. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So it has stopped because it is full now. And then you just bring out your bobbin.
So you take this out and cut. So look at it, neatly done.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe.